Man, I'm so cold out here. Ooh, it's so cold here. Wait, is that a house? Huh? What the what 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 the hell is a house doing here in the middle of a forest? Man, it really doesn't matter. Let's just go check it out. I'm kinda hungry right now. All I have is a bag of Cheetos. Let's see what's here. Let's see. Use Ellen. Okay, whatever. Yeah, that's a house. I've seen it. Yeah, I know. Why is it? Oh my god. What was that? Wait, this is not grandma. This does not look like grandma. Whatever. Let's just. My head hurts so much. Yeah, I know. Okay, whatever. Note. Let's read it. I guess. Are you a Vico attendant? I don't care. I don't know how to read. That was the only line I knew how to read. By the way, that's a fun fact. I have not read in like 9 years. Wait, how much is 9 years? Whatever. It doesn't matter. Okay, what's here? We need something to. Grandma! 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 You can't just leave shit in the toilet and not flush it? You're so gross, Grandma! You shit in the bathtub too? What is wrong with you, Grandma? It doesn't matter, really. She's mentally challenged like me. She's mentally challenged like me, yeah. It doesn't really matter then. A banana? Oh my god. Why does Grandma have such creepy pictures? Who are these men? What was that noise? Coin, okay, a coin. Why am I'm so stupid, of course. What the heck? Sorry, Grandma. I'm sorry, Grandma. I'm sorry, Grandma. I'm not sorry, Grandma. Yeah, don't mess with Grandma. She's a crazy. She's crazy. Let's just go. I was concreted. Huh? Yo. What do I do? Rocks? I think I need to throw the rock at the plank. Yeah, that's what I need to do. That didn't work. I had to click it? This game is so dumb. Hopefully Grandma didn't hear that. She would probably kill me. Alright, let's... Why am I so fat? I can't go through there. Oh, there's more planks. Yeah, that was it. Stupid. Yeah, Grandma, you're stupid. You heard me. And I don't know how to read. It looks like it goes on the TV. Haha, Grandma. You thought you would catch me? I'm not a bear. I'm not as stupid as one. Actually, I am. I am very stupid. Let's just check it. I want to watch some Coco Melon. If the Grandma doesn't notice. Alright. Man, this ain't no Coco Melon. What are these letters? Oh. So now she thinks I'm a prisoner. Another rock. Let me guess. I have to break this with a rock. No. Gone. Semi-broken pipe. Yeah. Yeah, that's what I thought, Grandma. Oh, wait. What do I do now? Oh. My flashlight. No, where am I? I don't think I've ever been here before. This place is weird and creepy. Oh, is it a basement? Let's check this out. I'm gonna throw that there. Alright. She has a whole yard? And, bro, you're so rich. Why don't you just buy food? Why do you want to eat me so bad? Just go buy some chicken or something. And if you like to eat humans so much, why don't you just, I don't know, eat a raw chicken? You like blood so much, then why don't you just eat raw chicken? She's so nasty. She doesn't even flush. She puts her poo in the fridge. Okay, this is like a, why did I say fridge? In the, sorry, I haven't bathed in like 11 days. How much is 11 days? Okay, I haven't bathed in like 11 days, so I forget what a bathtub is. So yeah, this is just like old grandma's house though. Yeah, this is not like old grandma's house. Where is the big scar?